In this video, I want to introduce a new indicator on TradingView that can make you consistent profit. To add this amazing indicator to our chart, here we click on indicators and we search a rune oscillator, this one, which is written by Big Beluga. Alright, this is the indicator, and as you can see it's added here below the chart. It is actually an oscillator, and as you can see we have two lines that are fluctuating above and below the center line, which is 0. This indicator is a newer version of a rune indicator. It is a versatile tool for trend identification and mean reversion signals. This line that we have here, and it changes color between green and blue, is a rune oscillator, and this dashed line here is signal line. When the rune line is above the center line, it shows uptrend and the price is advancing, as you can see, and when the rune line goes below the center line, it shows downtrend. So center line crossovers can signal starting of a trend, and this indicator shows triangles when there is a center line crossover, as you can see. And on the price chart also, it shows long and short signals, and the background also changes to green for uptrend and blue for downtrend. Not every center line crossover is a good signal. For example, this upside crossover that we have here, this is a good signal for this uptrend, or for example this one here, also a good one. But look at this bearish crossover that we have here, not a good signal, as you can see. Or the other one here, you can see that this is also a not good bearish signal, and this bullish crossover signal is also a false signal, as you can see. And this bearish crossover that we have here, this one was a good signal. As you can see, just like any other oscillators, the center line crossovers are very prone to be false signals, especially during flat market when the market is not trending, or in the pullbacks, deeper pullbacks like here. So any trading decision based on these center line crossovers need more confirmation, and you should never trade only based on these signals. In this video, our focus is not on center line crossovers. I'm going to teach you a trading strategy based on the crossover of a rune line and signal line. As you can see, the indicator also shows buy-sell signals based on the crossover of a rune line and signal line. These crossovers show shorter term momentum change in the market. When the rune line crosses above the signal line, it is a buy signal and shown by green circle, and when the rune line crosses below the signal line, this is a sell signal and shown by blue circle. By the help of the rune line itself, we can focus only on the signals that are in the current trend of the market. As I explained earlier, when the rune line is above the center line, the market is trending up, and in times that it goes below the center line, it shows that the market is trending down. So for example, when we are in this situation where the rune line is above the center line with the background green, as you can see, we only focus on buy signals. Like for example, also here, the rune line is above the center line and we only focus on buy signals. And in times that the rune line is below the center line and the background becomes blue, we only focus on sell signals. We only take blue circles. We didn't have any blue circle here. Also here we didn't have any sell signal. And for example, in this part, we only take the blue signals, which are actually sell signals. By the help of this method, you can be sure that you are entering in a trade that is in the same direction with the current trend. But just like any other trend following strategy, you can encounter false signals in two situations, one at the end of the trend and the other when the market is not trending. So we need another indicator that can filter the signals during flat market. For this purpose, we add Andean oscillator, this one, which is an editor specs indicator and written by Alex Grover. This is a very powerful indicator for identifying trending and non-trending market. When the green line is above the orange line, the market is trending up, and when the red line is above the orange line, the market is trending down. And in times that the orange line is above the other two, the market is not trending. So in times that the rune line is above the center line and we have a buy signal, the signal is confirmed only if in Andean oscillator the green line is above the orange line, like this case that we have here. But for example, for this one, the signal is not confirmed by Andean oscillator. You can see that the green line is below the orange line. During this flat market, we didn't have any signal in the same direction with a rune line, and from here, which is beginning of this downtrend, you can see that the rune line went below center line, the background is blue, and we should only focus on sell signals, these blue circles. And the sell signals are confirmed only if in Andean oscillator the red line is above the orange line. For example, this signal here is a confirmed signal, but for example, for these two sell signals that we have here at the end of the trend, and both of them are false signals, as you can see, they are not confirmed by Andean oscillator because red line line is not above the orange line for them. By the help of Andean oscillator, many of the false signals in this indicator are filtered and you only take higher probability signals. But please pay attention that you can still encounter false signals. No trading setup can give you 100% guaranteed signals. Losing positions are always part of the game and you need to manage your risk properly. There is a risk management strategy that is called 1% rule and is one of the best risk management strategies that traders can use. I have a complete guide on this. The link is also placed in the description and I highly recommend you to watch it because without a proper risk management strategy, you cannot become a successful trader. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new video. See you guys in next video and good luck with your trading.